Okay, so let's just go through the app here. It gives you a welcome, and it states that it's designed to help you get to know your singer sewing machine and get great sewing results. Would you like help to learn more about which machine stitches, sewing techniques, machine accessories are most interesting to a sewist like yourself by allowing us to collect anonymous usage data? So I'm going to click no thanks here. So as you get onto or in it, it has certain ones listed. And unfortunately, I don't have any of these machines. Like, it has none of the machines that I have listed. So it makes me wonder if they update the app in some sort of way to the most popular machines, or if it's like third party, as with the handheld, the Singer Quick Stitch. I wonder. But just because I'm curious, I'm going to tap into this one. And it gives you a description in the beginning. And then I'm going to click plus. And the only thing it'll do is like tell you how to wind the bobbin, insert the bobbin, threading the machine, and it gives you like videos here. So the video they don't have sound to them. Drawing up the bobbin. How to select a stitch. And all the way down to the presser foot. If you go here, please select fabric type. You can select fabric type here. So woven light. And click the woven light. And what about it? It doesn't give you anything. Like, it doesn't. Question. It has a 4 by it, but maybe they send, like, once you select techniques, they send you ideas as you have them listed. That's the only thing that I'm assuming. So you go over here, and it gives you all about the feet, bobbins, like it goes over needles, edges. So this arrow here selects over the picture. So, like, as the red is lit up. Okay. The auxiliary pin, the pin belt, the screwdriver, or you could just hand click it, and down here will give you a description of it. And you can click the X here. parts. You want to know about the stitch selector. There's the stitch width down the bobbin area. Put the X to get out, and then it goes back to this frequently asked questions in terms of all of this, like fabric puckers, possible cause, goes back to that. Let's see if you could get out of it. You have to have any of these particular machines, but it doesn't allow. If you click the world, it'll give you like where these machines are made. And I am awfully curious about why they don't have all the machines listed. So even if you click rest of the world, let's put Turkey. Still has the same machines, so it must be in Turkey's language. No, it's still in English. So I don't get that one. Still has like the same machines listed, even if you go to the world. Same thing. If you click fabric type, and have like those numbers, like the questions. See, they have like these numbers, but I think the numbers that pop up is like assistance or ideas or something new, comes up. I think that's when those numbers come up and you can kind of click. Otherwise, it doesn't give you techniques. So it's not in Turkey, and they have the same machines listed. No matter what country you click, it's still the same machines. Nothing changed. Go back to the United States. They only have still particular machines listed, and you don't have a search for the machines. So I'm going to uninstall because I'm not sure about the app. So let's take a look at some reviews.